introduction to you. Come here. Okay, so this is my brother. He was actually going to there, and he actually told me that he's a big fan of me. Brother, how are you?
I'm fine, thank you.
Eid Mubarak to you.
Eid Mubarak.
Okay, so maybe you will enjoy today a lot with your friends because today is Eid. Yeah, your friend is there.
Hey,
Okay, so brother, nice to meet you. I have no channel. I just try to speak in English.
I'm not by English, sorry na bhai.
Pardon na?
No,
No
bhai.
problem. I will help you to learn English.
ও ভাই কিছু বুঝি না ভাই
Okay.
বাংলা কইলে ভালো হয় ভাই
আমি আপনাকে ইংরেজি শেখাতে সাহায্য করতে পারি if you want.
হ্যাঁ
I have a
ভাই
Facebook.
আমি বেতন বেতন দিতে পারতাম না ভাই আগে গিয়ে দিলাম ভাই
Okay, no problem. I will don't get any salary from you.
হ্যাঁ ইয়েস
Okay, so he's my brother and